Ugh. Okay. Time to find a halfway decent spot to do some U-turns. That won't annoy the piss out of my neighbors. Almost feels like my visor's come loose. It's not sealing on the one side. It did. There we go, much quieter. So, as I was saying on Discord, this is the wrong kind of U-turn. Oh well, it'll work. You want to stay to the outside of the lane. This is wider because it's meant for U-turns, but that way, when you U-turn, even going wide, you have a little bit of room. I'll find one that's actually at a stoplight, because, so say we're at a stoplight. See, this doesn't work either, because Florida decides to make their roads big enough for U-turns. I need to go up the road farther where there's smaller medians. So see, when you gotta do a tight U-turn, you want to go middle or outside of the lane. That way when you go to U-turn, you have all that extra room to stay in that lane. So if that traffic is still coming at me, but I got an opening in the fast lane, I can still make the turn. yeah, I can just go. Woo! A little too much clutch. But yeah, see, so now I'm doing it on a blind corner, which is kind of stupid, but back up a little bit so I don't hit that piece of plastic. Other problem is right here, people speed a lot. So just a little bit of clutch and gas, let it coast around, and always try to look at where you're going, because that gets your shoulders turning. It's something I learned at the Harley Riders Academy. Get your head turning, and the bike goes where you turn your head, because it forces your shoulders to turn too. I'm not really the best teacher. Got a little nervous there and screwed up the first one. But yeah, you don't necessarily need power all the way through your U-turn. That actually is what forces you wide into the second lane. I hope that helps a little bit. But like I said, I'm not a brilliant teacher, not a brilliant rider yet. I've only been doing it for 2 years.